Hi, this is Eladio. I have a company that produces online courses and I gave Notion 5 star. Before Notion, I was using notes of iOS and it was such a mess. I didn't find anything when I needed it. I love a lot of things about Notion, but best of all is that I can take everything, all my knowledge of my business in one simple site, and also that I can use keyboard shortcuts to introduce everything, every block with my keyboard, from a page, a link, a heading, everything. I can do it very fast with keyboard. I think that the learning path of Notion is very good. You can start with very easy things, very easy stuff, and you can go to more complex stuff when you want. So it's very easy to start with working with it. If I could give you an advice, if you are going to start to use Notion, I would say that you start organizing the pages from the very beginning, because if not, you will have a lot of work to organize that afterwards.